I absolutely love small plates of food and I absolutely love prawns, and today I'm going to combine those two together. Remove the head, cutting through the back and removing the little vein. So I want to toast these shells and heads, touch of salt and a pinch of pepper, and allow this oil to fry all of the flavor fried beautifully. And what we are actually after is this oil at the bottom. Rinse these prawn tails properly. Proper chop on these straight into the container. Some lime here. Just roll the lime. Squeeze a good amount of lime. Chop chives. Now for some salt and pepper. Just stirring through. Prawns can start cooking in that delicious lime juice. A little bit of oil. I want to do grated Parmesan cheese straight into this pan. A couple of citrus segments. So once this is cooled down, we transfer that straight onto the plate, trying to make flattening it out slightly. Leaves. Now for our prawn head oil, beautiful Parmesan crisp. Pairing with this beautiful dish is the Neethlingshof Chenin Blanc 2023. Absolutely amazing flavors of guava. I think pouring a glass and serving a glass of this wine with this dish is all you really need.